Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to stop Google Photos backup. There might be various reasons as to why you want to stop your Google Photos from backing up. So without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Google Photos app. After opening your Google Photos app, here you'll be able to see various options, and the first page here you'll be able to see photos. On the below you'll be able to see search bar, sharing and library. Here on the top you'll be able to see your profile icon. Here you'll have to tap on your profile icon. After tapping on your profile icon, here you'll be able to see various options. On the top, you'll be able to see your email address and then free up space, your data in Google Photos, Photos settings, help and feedback. Here you'll have to tap on your Photos settings. After tapping on Photos settings, here on the first option, you'll be able to see backup. Tap on it. After tapping on backup, here as you can see the toggle option is on. Tap on it and it will be turned off. And just like that, your Google Photos backup has been turned off. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to stop Google Photos backup. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.